Hello, Cornwall, Ontario, and surrounding areas. We have another solid duct cleaning clip for you. In this video, we tackle a home duct system in Cornwall during a heat wave, but when it comes to cleaning ducts to ensure fresh, clean air for you, we're absolutely willing to handle the heat. The ducts in this home were not too bad, although the returns were filled with some stubborn dust, and we had to bring out the brushes to help remove that stubborn built-up dust. The first step was to use high compressed air. The second step was to use high compressed air with an attachment tool that whips around. Finally, we brought out the big guns and literally brushed the dirt away. If you live in the Cornwall or Ottawa area, contact us for a quote on your duct cleaning. And if you're not looking for duct cleaning but need furnace maintenance or a gas hookup, perhaps even for a pool heater, give Quality Heating a call. We can absolutely help you. Thank you for watching.